Nikunj, as what Manish shared, I fully agree with him. He's complete in every aspect of life. He's complete, whether it is personal, professional, knowledge, his sense of humor, his intelligence on so many things. At this age, the kind of horizon that he has is rarest of the rare. Yes. As far as Gautam goes, before we had so many people and always we had to struggle. Every 1 month or 2 months there was a struggle. What to do with emails? Email ja raha hai, nahi ja raha hai. But since Gautam has joined, we never had a problem that our emails are not working or there is a problem in any of the IT issues. There has not been any IT issue whatsoever. So this is a kind of a Japanese way of working. Japanese people say, if you remember, we had before Sony TV came in, there were a lot of people who used to say we have service centers at every city. Gautam says, I don't need a service center. If I do something, you don't need a service center. It is perfect. So you don't have to come to me asking, my things are not working. So this is an extraordinary way of, handling things, I think. We don't need Gautam. Once he puts his systems, process in place, then it runs on an auto mode, which is extraordinary, Gautam. This is what is required, We say that our customers should not call us. The kind of service, the kind of process, the kind of systems that we have, the kind of service that we provide to the customer is in such a way that he doesn't have to call us for asking for anything. So that is the kind of service, that is the kind of learning that I take from him. So salute to you, boss. Thank you, Gautam. And I'm sure a lot of people interact with these two gentlemen, and they have a lot of other things also to share. Like Nikunj, I think is full of fun also. हमारे साथ वो मस्ती नहीं करता, but otherwise I think he's full of fun also. So if anybody has anything,
would like to share something.
Nothing much. The only thing is he's part of our event team, and we have been coordinating with him. Unfortunately, he was not there for the previous event. This was his first event when he was there. And that time also he could manage his work and work with the team, because his work is such a kind that he has to be there. There is no alternative for him to be कि मैं थोड़ी देर रुका के आ जाऊँ, ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो सब चीज़ मैनेज करता है and lot of fun. Like हमेशा हंसते खेलते काम करता है. So that's what I like about him.
Anyone else would like to add more? The gentleman.
Shruti has something to share. Veronica.
We call him Google.
Google. He is Google. Googly.
He's actually a Wikipedia. Whatever topic you start with, he will start from the beginning. History से start करेगा, and then he will come to the present. So whether it is for the religious things or anything, maybe textile or technology के related हमने ज़्यादा उससे बात नहीं की होगी, but even for any religion या any upcoming event या कोई भी चीज़ पे बात करो, वो हिस्ट्री से स्टार्ट करेगा. अच्छा तुम्हें इसकी हिस्ट्री पता है? यहाँ से ये चीज़ें स्टार्ट होती हैं. So I would like to
he knows lot of people do not understand history or they don't know. So he start from history.
Yeah. So sometimes